coming up.
Apple,
Mango, hello and welcome back to another video of SFDC SAGA. In this video, we are going to create a dictionary app using Lightning Web Component. So in this video, I will be showing you a small demo and I will be explaining you the code as well so that you know what we are trying to achieve and how we are trying to achieve this. So I'm going to type word apple, then hit search. You'll get the meaning as well as the body.
apple,
Okay, so let me search another words, meaning of it as well as audio. Mango. Okay, so let's say we're not finding any word, so it shows an error message saying unable to find the meaning of Salesforce. Please try to search for another word. If there are any words, we'll get the meaning of it. Search for sales, search. So I got a meaning of it as well as the audio.
sales,
So let's go on to our Visual Studio Code and see how we have implemented this. I am on my Visual Studio screen. So in my Visual Studio screen, I am in my HTML page. So here I have created a lightning card and the lightning layout, which contains lightning layout item. Two lightning layout items, one for my lightning input and one for my lightning button. Here I have used the latest Spring 23 release lightning LWC reference directive, and I have defined this reference name as word, and for button I have referenced this name as search. So this is similar to ID feed. Reference should always be an unique. So if we have multiple references with the same name, always it will consider the last reference. Here is my response, what I am displaying on my screen, okay, which I'll be taking you through once I go to my JavaScript file. So in my JavaScript file, I've created a method called handle search. When the user clicks on the search button, so this method gets executed. Here I'm calling the reference which I've created. If I scroll up to call this reference in my JavaScript, I'll be using the keyword this.reference to which reference, that is word, the one which I have created over here, and I want to get the value of out of it, and I'm storing that in a constant variable, that is search text. I'm passing this search text to my API. So in this example, I'm using a dictionary API. So I'm appending the search text to the URL. Through the fetch API method, I'm pushing the URL, and if my response is successful, that is okay, I'll be getting a JSON response. If there are no responses, I'll be showing an message on the screen saying unable to find the meaning of search text. Please try to search for another word. Okay, this will be my error. If the response is successful, then I am adding the meaning definition to a list and appending to my again I've created two references, that is meaning div as well as audio div. If I go to my HTML, if I scroll down, so here if you see I've created a meaning div reference as well as audio div reference. So I'll be appending the response to the inner HTML of my reference. So here if you see I have added audio reference, which I'm getting I am getting an audio link. So I am appending that to the audio div in HTML and the meaning definition to my meaning div. So which will be inside this. Okay. And if there is any error, I'm just logging that on my console. Pretty simple and sweet. If I go to my CSS, I've used styling hooks to create a pill-shaped text field as well as button and few more styles to display the response what I'm getting on the screen on my Lightning Web component. This component code will be available in my blog as well as in the GitHub repo, so you can try it out on yourself. If you learned something new from this video, please do hit like, and if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.
Apple.
Mango.
Sales.